Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing business profile title page in PowerPoint. So first of all, insert a rectangle that covers the half of the template and then insert a rounded corner rectangle and then rotate it like this and duplicate it, place it on top and select the rectangle and then the rounded corner rectangle and then subtract it. And for this one, we're also gonna do the same. Here you go. Insert another rectangle and then place it right here and you have to adjust it like this. Here you go. Wait, let me just rotate it like this. Let's unite them and insert a rectangle to cover the outer part and remove it by subtracting it from the larger rectangle. Give the rectangle a shape or gradient. So I'm going to use a pink and purple gradient. Next, insert a rounded corner rectangle and duplicate it again and select all of them and duplicate them as well. Select all of them and then group them and let's just rotate them. Here you go. Group these as well and then rotate them and place them right here. Place a rectangle right here and rotate it like this and select both of these rectangles and then unite them. Remove the unwanted part that is out of the template by subtracting it from the larger rectangle. And similarly, we're also gonna subtract the unwanted shapes by one, ungrouping them and then subtracting them by placing a rectangle on top, and then subtracting them by selecting them first and then the outer rectangle, and then go to merge option and then click on subtract option. Here you go. So all is done. Now let's group it and then insert an image from stock images. I'll just use an office image. Wait. This one would look alright. So first of all, let's go to stock images and then insert this image again because we want to adjust it. Wait, here it is. Now send it to the back and then crop it from the picture format. Yeah, something like this. And then cut it and then clipboard it. Go to picture color and give it a black color. And insert a text box for the header and the other stuff. Here you go. Insert your subtitle as well. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. You can also check out my other videos and all of them has the link to free templates in their description. So now it's time to give animations to all of these things. So I'll just use wipe in animation for this rectangle and the picture. And for the text, I'll just use fly in animation but from the right side. And that is what I had to do. And that was all I did in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video soon.